A brief severe weather risk evaluation for June 24, 2018, filmed on June 23, 2018, 8:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Looking at the SPC Day 2 1730Z Outlook Update, a moderate risk has been introduced. Potentially significant damaging wind and very large hail will be the main threats in the area, along with potentially an isolated tornado. The tornado threat will be mitigated by the temporal extent of discrete convection, which will be limited because strong buoyancy will lead to rapid spatial coverage of thunderstorm spatial growth over a large area and leading to convective clusters. Looking at the 180Z GFS model, the NAM seems to be an outlier showing less instability at the moment, so it's going to be ignored. We see very strong instability, surface-based CAPE of 4 to 5,000 joules per kilogram in the region I just circled. And also, when we look aloft, and listen to 500 millibars, following the contours, we see there is a trough going through this area. And even more importantly, we will notice there's an enhancement of flow of 500 millibars. Not extremely strong, but strong enough. When we overlay that with the instability, we see a region, particularly right through this area, where the moderate risk was issued, that would favor organized and significant damaging severe thunderstorms. So that's what has led the SPC to upgrade to the moderate risk. And contributing to the vertical thermodynamic instability will be steep lapse rates on the order of 7.5 to 8.5 degrees Celsius per kilometer. Lastly, the fixed layer 0 to 6 kilometer bulk shear in this region, of course very strong here. It will be increasing farther out into this area during the evening, but it's still strong enough in any case to continue organized convection. Now looking at this is the SREF model from the SPC, and this is the derecho composite parameter. While tomorrow's event at the moment does not look like it's going to be derecho, we still see values of 6 to 9 in this area, which, if I overlay it again, will show it overlaps with the moderate risk area. And the important takeaway of that is that it indicates the very high potential for clusters of damaging windstorms, potentially significantly damaging. Lastly, the HRF version 2 for tomorrow evening, we'll go 23Z tomorrow evening. All models depicting significant convection developing, including these black areas as seen in spots here and here, which indicate enhanced amounts of updraft helicity, potentially a few tornadoes. However, this threat is, as I had previously mentioned, mitigated, and only isolated tornadoes are really a concern with us. So the main takeaways from the severe risk evaluation will be potential for hurricane force, significant damaging winds, very large hail which could exceed 2.5 inches, and isolated tornadoes will also probably be likely, but at the moment not expecting strong or numerous tornadoes. This has been a severe weather risk evaluation for tomorrow, filmed on June 23rd, 2018.